You have seconds to act. Don't run to the window. Don't get in your car. Do this instead. Drop, cover your eyes, wait for the shock wave. Because the difference between life and death comes down to the first few minutes. And in the next 10 minutes, I'll show you step by step how to survive a nuclear explosion from the first second to the first 24 hours. Stay with me. Because at the end, I'll reveal the 5 deadly mistakes most people make. A nuclear blast is for killers in one: the light, the heat, the shock wave, and radiation. If you're outside when it happens, the flash can blind you instantly, even miles away. That's why the first move is simple: don't look. Turn away, drop to the ground, cover your head and eyes. Stay down until the shock wave passes, because that wave is a wall of destruction moving faster than sound. Windows shatter, cars flip, buildings collapse. If you're standing, you're a target. If you're flat, you have a chance. Once the blast passes, the clock starts ticking. You have minutes before radioactive fallout rains down. Not hours, minutes. That's your survival window. Get inside. The best protection: brick or concrete. The deeper you go, the better. Basements, underground parking garages. Even the center of a tall building is safer than the street. Repeat this in your head: shielding, distance, time. Shielding blocks radiation. Distance puts layers between you and fallout. Time reduces exposure as radiation weakens every hour. If you were outside when it hit, you're contaminated. Don't panic, you can fix this. Step 1. Remove your outer clothing. Put it in a plastic bag. Seal it. That single step can remove up to 90% of radioactive dust. Step 2. Shower with lukewarm water and soap. Wash slowly, don't scrub. Don't use conditioner, it traps radiation in your hair. Step 3. Change into clean clothes. Keep pets inside. Wipe them with a damp cloth if needed. Do this right, and you've just cut your exposure dramatically. Now comes the hardest part: staying put. Do not run. Do not try to drive away. Fallout is heaviest in the first 24 hours. Leaving too soon is a death sentence. Stay inside. Wait. Seal yourself in an interior room. Eat packaged food. Drink bottled water. Use a hand crank radio for updates. Cell towers may be gone. Every hour that passes, radiation levels drop. By the 24-hour mark, your odds of survival skyrocket. You've probably heard about potassium iodide pills. Here's the truth: they are not a magic cure. They don't protect your whole body. They only shield your thyroid from one type of radiation. And you only take them when authorities tell you to. The wrong time, the wrong dose, can hurt you more than help you. Most people won't survive because they make the same fatal mistakes. Number 1. Running to the window after the flash. Number 2. Jumping in a car to escape the city. Number 3. Showering with conditioner. Number 4. Leaving shelter before 24 hours. Number 5. Taking potassium iodide on their own. Avoid these. And your odds rise. Close 9:30 to 10 o'clock. Surviving a nuclear blast isn't about luck. It's about sequence. Drop in the first seconds. Get inside within minutes. Decontaminate in the first hour. Stay sheltered for 24 hours. Do that, and you live. Share this video, because when it happens, the calm person who knows these steps will save lives.